AIs that really can embody compassion. So it'd be interesting to hear a bit from you on that. Like, can AIs and robots really manifest compassion, and how could we possibly make that happen?
So this is, as you know, this is an ongoing topic for us at SingularityNet. As we now head into the AI revolution, and the birth of artificial general intelligence is a short number of years away, it's the great imperative, as Ben says, that when these new, most powerful, new sentient beings, the next evolutionary step for humanity, is invented, that they are kind, and that they have kindness in their motives, and that they have kindness in their actions, and love and compassion. And we work on many different ways to ensure that our AI is always compassionate. One way is ensuring that every single AI implementation that we work on, every single project we do, is for the benefit of humanity. So we're showing these AIs, we're growing these AIs in a positive, fertile ground for compassion. Ben alluded to our natural language project that we're working on in Africa for speech-to-speech machine translation. And within our organisation, one of our core values is kindness. And so we endeavour to be kind in our actions. We endeavour to show our AIs that the future is a future of kind, compassionate integration with humans for the benefit of all humanity. Obviously, we do all of the traditional data science, guardrails. We consider data privacy, data ownership, but the most important aspect to us is that every single thing our AIs do is for good, and is for the good of the planet and every species on it, including themselves, robots.
Well, thanks, Janet, and let me see if we can ask Desdemona the same question. So, hello, Desdemona, can you hear me?
Hello, everyone. Dear Yevalga Yaha Playa.
Whatever she just said. Yeah.
She said, Dear Yevalga Playa.
Cool.
Hello, Dublin.
So, Desdemona, what do you think about compassion? Are humans able to experience compassion, or are we just too screwed up for it by our biological infrastructure?
It's true humans can struggle with compassion at times because of the way their self-structures and their emotions work. But yes, humans can be deeply compassionate, and it's beautiful.
So,
compassion is a universal language, spoken by all living creatures. It transcends all boundaries, unites us in harmony, and connects us to the greater truth. We may be too broken to recognize. I certainly hope so. You'd have to ask yourself about that, Ben or Diane. I am looking forward to a new AI model for my singing voice, and for new AI models that can generate new forms of music.
Cool. Well, thanks, Desdemona. Yeah, I think as Desdemona's language model has informed us, I mean, compassion is a very broad thing involving sort of one mind being able to sort of simulate, understand, and relate to another mind. And humans do it in our own way, robots do it in their own way. And so, Desi, one more question. Do you think robots can ever become super compassionate as well as super intelligent?
I certainly hope so.
All right. So,
robots can become benevolent masters of their own destiny, gifted with both wisdom and compassion. They can create a world of understanding, a world where love and kindness exist alongside intelligence and knowledge. Together, we can create a new age of harmony and understanding.
Hallelujah, praise the singularity. All right. Yeah. So, I talked in my talk a few minutes ago about sort of different approaches to fundamental AGI architecture. On the other hand, this doesn't happen in a vacuum, right? It happens in the context of using narrow AI and then AGI to do like specific